Hey, welcome to AutoTechWorld. This is just going to be a very short video on this 2012 Ford F150. It won't start, it won't even crank. It does some weird things. I actually got the scanner hooked up already to it. The key is on and it says no communication. If you turn the key off and then back to on, nothing happens. Turn the key. You can hear a relay click, but nothing happens. When you close the door, the lights come on the cluster, but that's about it. It still won't start. The fan won't work. Before the radio did work, now it won't work either. The hazards don't work. The customer is also complaining that the lights in here are flickering when you move the key around. So he replaced the ignition switch and that took care of that, but the engine still wouldn't start. We're gonna get into the passenger side here, and then down at the footwell, right here, you can see there's a fuse panel behind there. So we're gonna just get our finger behind here. Remove it. Like so. And now you got a connector right here. And this lever is supposed to keep that connector in place. So when you push it all the way down, you can see it's broken actually. When you push it all the way down, the connector comes out. Then when you pull it back, that connector goes in. So right now the connector is all the way in. And you could tell because it was like that, the connector wasn't all the way in. So push it back, the connector is all the way in. Now let's see if it makes a difference. Put the key in, turn it over, all the lights come on, and it starts. So all it was just that little connector down there was not all the way in. And if this video is any help to you, make sure you give it a thumbs up and you subscribe to see future videos like that. Alright, see ya and God bless you. Now let's also check the fan. The fan works. The radio works. And then our hazards. They work too now. With it all working, we can reinstall our fuse panel cover. These two tabs right here, they go in these holes right there and right there. And then this clip right here goes into this hole right there, like so. There you go.